Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We all enjoy some nice evening snacks, especially when they are made nice and hot during tea time. Today I am going to share this wonderful recipe which is bread potato cutlets, that is bread aloo cutlets. They are very simple to make and they are very tasty. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the bread aloo cutlets, first I'm going to make the filling. For this, I've boiled 3 medium-sized potatoes. Next, add 1 carrot finely grated, half cup of fresh boiled peas, a few chopped coriander leaves. Next, I'm going to add all the spices and we're going to season this, starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon pepper, and half teaspoon garam masala powder. So just mix everything. So as you can see, I have not added any green chilies, there are no onions, there is no garlic or ginger. It's a very quick and easy yet very tasty cutlets. So once you've mixed everything, just mash it all up. So if you don't have a potato masher, don't worry about it, just use your hands and just mash everything up. Wow, that looks really colorful and really nice. So if your kids or your family members are hungry and they want some nice snacks in the evening, you can quickly make this. So make sure you check for seasoning. If you need to add a little salt at this point, you can. Taste it and then make sure your filling is ready at this point. So the filling for the bread aloo cutlets is ready. I'm going to keep this aside. So take a slice of bread. Now I'm using 2 different size of cutters here. Now if you don't have these cutters, don't worry about it. You can just take the lids from your dabbas that you have. So make sure you have a nice small one and a large one to get the nice ring shape. Take one of the bread rings, place a little bit of the filling in the center and pat it in nicely till it's nice and tight and the ring holds the shape. Like how you would pat the cutlets or patties, just pat it in nicely till it's nice and firm and it's all filled up. So you can see the bread ring, it holds the shape beautifully. So this is how you make these bread aloo cutlets. So next we are going to shallow fry or tawa fry the cutlets. For this, take a nice white tawa. You can also do it on the pan if you don't have a tawa. Keeping the flame on medium. Gently tawa fry them on both sides. So if you need to add a little extra ghee around the bread slices, you can do that. I'm going to add a bit of ghee now. Make sure you get a lovely golden brown color. Once you've got a lovely golden brown color on both sides, remove the cutlets from the pan and keep it aside. To the same tawa, just add a little more ghee. So we're just going to toast the bread discs that we cut off from the center. This is just as a topping for the cutlets. It's like more like a little hat. As you can see, the method and process of making these aloo bread cutlets are very easy. So if you want to whip up something really quick for a nice evening snack, if you're having friends or guests over, this is something that you can really make in minutes. So these bread aloo cutlets are a perfect evening time snack. Make sure you serve them nice and hot with some nice tomato ketchup or mint chutney by the side. So do try the recipe, share it with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys.